History whispers through the walls of ancient structures, telling stories of civilizations long past. Each stone, each archway, a silent witness to the triumphs and tribulations of bygone eras. But what happens when the relentless march of time threatens to erase these echoes, to reduce these magnificent monuments to dust? That's when restoration, a remarkable human endeavor, steps in to bring the past back to life. Just imagine crumbling facades, once vibrant with color, now faded and worn. Mighty columns, once standing tall, now fractured and leaning. Intricate carvings slowly disappearing beneath layers of grime and neglect. The passage of time can be unforgiving, especially to the testaments of human history. Around the world, dedicated teams of experts, archaeologists, architects and artisans work tirelessly like skilled surgeons operating on a grand scale to preserve and restore these heritage sites. It's a delicate dance between science and art, ensuring that future generations can walk through history, not just read about it in dusty books. Here, in the heart of Rome, stands the Colosseum, a magnificent amphitheater, a symbol of Roman engineering and gladiatorial combat. For nearly 2,000 years, it has witnessed history, its stones whispering tales of emperors and gladiators. Time takes its toll. Centuries of exposure left it scarred. In the 90s, a monumental restoration began. Skilled experts employed cutting-edge technology, reinforcing structures and replacing elements. Today, the Colosseum stands stronger than ever. Tourists walk its ancient corridors, echoing voices of the past. The Colosseum is a vibrant symbol of Rome's legacy. Perched high on a rugged clifftop in the Bavarian Alps of Germany sits Neuschwanstein Castle, a vision of fairy-tale turrets and breathtaking beauty. This is no ordinary castle. It's a castle seemingly plucked from the pages of a storybook, an enchanting symphony of towers, spires, and romantic architecture. Commissioned by King Ludwig II of Bavaria in the 19th century, Neuschwanstein was intended as a tribute to the operas of Richard Wagner and as a secluded retreat for the reclusive king. The castle's design, a whimsical blend of Romanesque, Gothic, and Byzantine styles, is a testament to Ludwig's romantic idealism. The harsh alpine climate, with its fierce winds, driving rain, and freezing winters, took a toll on Neuschwanstein's delicate exterior. Recognizing the urgent need to preserve this architectural treasure, a comprehensive restoration program was put into action. Experts carefully analyzed the castle's structure, identifying areas of concern and devising innovative solutions to combat the effects of time and weather. A special mortar, formulated to match the color and texture of the original limestone, was painstakingly applied to repair cracks and eroded sections. In the heart of Mali, the great mosque of Jannah stands as a testament to human faith and community spirit. Built of mud brick, it requires annual replastering during the Crépissage festival. The community views this maintenance as a sacred duty and a celebration of their heritage. Men and boys mix mud plaster while women and girls carry water from the Bani River. The Crépissage is a powerful reminder that preserving history is about people. London, a city steeped in history where the past meets the present. Tower Bridge, a marvel of Victorian engineering, stands as a proud symbol of London's enduring spirit. Completed in 1894, it was a triumph of its time, allowing road traffic and ships to pass. In the 1980s, a major restoration project returned Tower Bridge to its former glory. The restoration safeguarded a vital piece of London's infrastructure. In the Hyogo prefecture of Japan, rising majestically against the backdrop of the Harima Plains, stands Himeji Castle, a masterpiece of Japanese castle architecture and a symbol of enduring beauty. Known as the White Heron Castle for its graceful white-plastered walls, Himeji is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and one of Japan's most treasured landmarks. Originally built in the 14th century, Himeji Castle has seen its fair share of turmoil over the centuries, surviving wars, fires, and even earthquakes. But it was the subtle, yet relentless march of time that began to take its toll on the castle's once pristine appearance. In 2006, a major restoration project was launched, a testament to the Japanese dedication to preserving their cultural heritage. The castle's white plaster walls were carefully repaired and replastered, using a traditional lime-based mortar. The intricate wooden roof tiles were painstakingly removed, cleaned and repaired, with damaged tiles replaced with replicas, crafted using the same techniques employed by the castle's original builders. The restoration of Himeji Castle was not just about preserving a building, it was about safeguarding a symbol of Japanese history and culture. From the rugged mountains of Peru, where Machu Picchu stands as a testament to the ingenuity of the Inca, to the jungles of Cambodia, where the magnificent temples of Angkor Wat emerge from the emerald green canopy, to the rose-red city of Petra, carved into the sandstone cliffs of Jordan. Restoration projects around the world are breathing new life into the echoes of the past. From ancient ruins to grand palaces, restoration bridges the past with the present, allowing us to relive history in all its glory. It's a reminder that these structures are more than just bricks and mortar. They're tangible connections to the people who came before us, their stories etched into the very fabric of these buildings. As the sun sets behind these magnificent structures, casting long shadows that stretch back through time, let us remember the words of the great historian Will Durant, who said, "Preserving history is not just about saving buildings, it's about keeping the soul of our past alive." Which restored landmark would you love to visit? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like and share. Thank you for joining us on this journey through time and restoration.